Ball being given away. Dupi is Origi. Liverpool looking for the first Premier League goal of the season. And it's an own goal. It is a catastrophe for ground handling. Salah gets it. A couple of deflections take it to Firmino and Salah's in. Liverpool. He's off and running. Not yet 20 minutes gone. It's free, and Virgil van Dijk puts his imprint on this opening half an hour of the season. It's a free header for Origi, and it is 4.
Keep Norwich in the Premier League.
Here's Pukki, and that's what he does. And it's 4-1.
Ward-Prowse to deliver. It comes all the way through. That's an astonishing save by Adrian. Looks to buy himself a yard and goes for goal. Oh, it's another special goal from Sadio Mane. Absolutely world class. And he has support. He's still trying to find his way in. He does find his way in, Roberto Firmino. He might have missed a sitter a couple of minutes ago. He wasn't. Oh, that's Alisson. That's Adrian, who's gifted a goal to Danny Ings.
Tepe from in from the left-hand side. A little bit of confusion with Adrian. It comes out to Aubameyang. He's got a bit to aim at here. It's agonisingly wide.
Ahead of them from the cop. And it goes again. Martin 1-0. Well, it was coming for 40 minutes.
And absolutely emphatic. Unstoppable. Unsavable. 2-0. He's in the mood. He is really in the mood.
Against Martip. And here's the chance for Torreira. And again, and it's 3-1. He wriggled away from the first challenge from Jordan Henderson and then kept his head and side-footed it into the corner. And there's still 6 minutes remaining.
Henderson outside of him. Alexander-Arnold. It's thrown in! And Liverpool steal a freaky lead! Salah the other, it's Sadio Mane, it's 2-0 Liverpool. They are unforgiving. Away from Peters, away from me, Firmino! To ice another rich Liverpool.
Two on his chest in a promising position, middle of Liverpool half. That caught them out. He's found Willems just inside the area on the left. Jethro Willems goes for it. What a goal! What a goal! Newcastle United lead at Anfield. That is a glorious hit from Jethro Willems with his weaker right. Gets the ball on the left, plays it back to Mane. What a goal! Liverpool get their equaliser. Slips it through for Mane, Dubravka comes, the ball has run loose, and Sadio Mane puts it into the empty net. Newcastle lost it in the middle of their half. 2-1 Liverpool at Anfield at the moment. Salah, great move, Salah still going.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. That's all you can say, brilliant.
Some players, Coutinho used to do it, and Liverpool's colours go low, but set up for Alexander-Arnold. Oh, wonderful. Quick thinking, smart shooting. Chelsea 0, Liverpool 1.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Firmino, who is certainly involved. It's 2-0. So it is a double whammy for Chelsea. They thought they'd equalised. He's having a real go. Oh, what a goal! What a goal! The effort pays off.
Discipline in their shape behind the ball. Stretched all over the place so far. Basham makes the deal with the threat, but Salah Couldn't get the ball. Let the ball in. Wijnaldum! Oh, Dean Henderson has spilt it, and Liverpool finally have the breakthrough with their first shot on target of the afternoon. It's Mo Salah. Good save.
Milner. It's out of Evans' reach, and guess who's through? It's Sadio Mane, and you know what happens next. Liverpool knew they would beat Perez, and through to Maddison, and Leicester have got their equaliser. They stayed in the game, and this is one big kick for James Milner. He's done it. He's won it. Liverpool seem to... The back of Origi. No foul given, and James is going the other way. James towards Rashford! There's nothing Old Trafford loves more than that! Andrew Robertson. Firmino, Lallana! Liverpool embrace
in the Premier League since January, but they're in the attack here through Son, gets the shot away, takes a deflection, and the rebound is put in by Harry Kane in front of the cup. Would you believe it? Less than 50 seconds in, the team without a Premier League away win in their last 10. Again, Anthony Taylor almost in the way. Now was there a shove in the back? Here's Henderson! He scored! Jordan Henderson! His first goal at Anfield! Hasn't scored in his last 3 Premier League games. Salah scores! The front of the club, and Liverpool have turned it around at 4.
For Henderson, good work. Liverpool onside. Trent Alexander-Arnold scoops in the cross, headed away, only as far as Henderson lifts it back into Mane to break the deadlock against the reigning European champions. Yes, it most certainly could. Trezeguet. Well, all the talk was about most 20 minutes or so, but he gets the ball in here. It's a good ball for Robertson, and they have levelled. It's Robertson, the marauding fullback. Mane came to his... Arnold has been excellent today. Gets the cross into the near post. The header is won, and they have won it. It's Sadio Mane, the scourge of Aston Villa, and that...
Mane prepared to take him on. Angelino got in front of Salah, importantly. Here's Fabinho. What a hit! Oh, what a hit! For Robertson. Shapes in towards Mo Salah! Liverpool off to a flyer! In first quarter. Anderson. Nice, delicious cross. Mane! Really crackle and cloth because Sterling, Angelino, Bernardo Silva. Hold on. He has.
Robertson, with the ball in, finds Mane towards goal. This time Mane, does it end up in the back of the net? Yes, it does. Guaita tried his best, and Mane was not to be denied this time. Townsend looking to find Zaha, lets it run across his body, and there it is! First goal of the season for Wilfried Zaha, and what a moment to get it! Here it comes, bobbling around, can someone put it away? Oh no, they have! Liverpool back in front, it's Roberto Firmino. Palace weren't level for long.
Left for Alexander-Arnold, Van Dijk, 1-0. The head of Virgil van Dijk gives Liverpool the lead after 18 minutes. Oh, love again. Alexander-Arnold. In it goes, there's the header, and it's 2, same combination. Alexander-Arnold to Van Dijk. And Lewis Dunk is stepping up for this one. Dunk! Oh, he's found the corner! Lewis Dunk with the cheekiest of free kicks has hauled Albion back into the game.
Liverpool and now Mane as Everton trying to get as many behind the ball as they possibly can. And that's a ball into Origi, who's taken it in his stride and put Liverpool in front inside 6 minutes here at Anfield. The man who got the winner in this fixture. Mane, across the face of the penalty area, has put that in for Shaqiri, who scored. And Liverpool are 2 up, and Xherdan Shaqiri on his first Premier League start since January. Does find Iwobi, who drills it in, chance for Keane. Everton have scored. Michael Keane, with his first goal of this season, has got Everton back into it. Leading 2-1 as Origi brings that one down and makes it 3-1. What is going on at the back there for Everton? Brilliantly brought down, admittedly, by Divock Origi. Arnold into the path of Sadio Mane. It's 4. Oh, can you believe this? Everton are hit on a Liverpool. Calvert-Lewin and Richarlison inside the penalty area. Richarlison! Everton have a second. This game is by no means done. It's a crazy Merseyside. He's got the better of Holgate. Puts it back here for Wijnaldum, and that is 5. And that is the game up for Everton. Jorginho, Wijnaldum.
Simpson, Rico. Long ball over the top immediately, and a chance for Oxlade-Chamberlain, who has immediately put Liverpool in front. Well, talk about kicking a team while they're down. The Cherries trying to reorganise. Essentially, little back heel, Keita in to make it 2, and with a fine finish, Naby Keita does make it 2. Can't argue too much with the quality about that one. Referee's got his hand to his ear here, he will look at it, but Naby Keita driving forward, and he plays it into Mo Salah. Chance for 3, it is going to be 3. And again, it comes from a Bournemouth mistake, unfortunately, and Liverpool, the European champions, the Premier League leaders.
And now Watford could be exposed by Mane and then by Salah. Mo Salah! Beautifully done. You just know. Behind Salah, Origi, and nicked in by Mo Salah. Cheekily, disdainfully.
Ricardo able to get it out of the penalty area, but only as far as Robertson. Here's Alexander-Arnold, curls it towards the back post. Play is over, 1-0. Oh, it's a terrific header. Roberto Firmino, who won the Club World Cup against Flamengo with his extra time goal in Milner for Liverpool, and he goes the other way this time, and he slots it in the corner. And as it stands with 20 minutes remaining, Power State. Alexander-Arnold fizzes it across, back post, 3-0, Firmino has 2, and Liverpool, that is devastating football. The outside of Sadio Mane. Alexander-Arnold, that's absolutely magnificent. What a player this young man is. 2 assists, and now his second Premier.
It's deflected wide in the end, it was a fine piece of defending. Forward by Van Dijk, looking for Lallana, and there's Mane! Adam Lallana's touch, he says it was shoulder. That's a ball for Robertson. The whistle stays down, Salah is there, and Salah scores. It's an absolute gift for Mohamed Salah. Here's Salah, looking for Mane! Brilliant save by the goalkeeper, but Mane is not to be denied. It's another special Liverpool goal. That's Henderson. And it breaks for Roberto Firmino! Liverpool's roadman scores away from home again. Liverpool's corner taken by Alexander-Arnold and in by Virgil van Dijk. It's as simple as that for Liverpool. On goal, he's still going, and Salah for Liverpool! Have a little bit of that! Mohamed Salah wraps it up, and the roof comes off the famous old stadium once again. Alexander-Arnold will swing it in right-footed, headed goalwards, and it's in at the near post, and Liverpool have the breakthrough early on. Jordan Henderson is the man celebrating. Traore away. Traore lifting his cross in. Here it is! Raul Jimenez arrives 10 yards out to place it. They've got a foot to it. Comes through to Firmino, who strikes it. Oh no! Liverpool go back in front. And just like that, for all the play that will...
Salah 2 from 2 in the Premier League this season from the penalty spot. Salah does what Salah does. It's taken half an hour and more for the would-be champions to break the hammers down. He's rolled it up here for Oxlade-Chamberlain, who is onside and establishes a 2-goal lead for Liverpool with swagger and certainty.
Chamberlain and Robertson. Firmino. Chamberlain looking to get into position to shoot. And Liverpool score right at the start of the second half. This here. And Jordan Henderson. The procession to the title continues. Henderson. And it reaches Mo Salah, and you just know what happens next. Mo Salah makes it 3-0. It's Roberto Firmino, it's Salah, he's bundled that one in. It is number 4, a second half performance of champions. You are going to win. Henderson for Sadio Mane. Mane's turn! Liverpool's goal, and Sadio Mane has scored.
Scored a goal at Anfield since last April. A goal here for Wijnaldum. They've got their first half goal. Whipped in by Snodgrass this time, and they've got an equaliser from Diop. Head of the ball, here he is. Turns in the cross, and they're 2-1 up, and it's a great finish by Fornals. Salah! And it might defect for Alexander-Arnold, it does. There's the touch that might well win the night from Sadio Mane.
Here's Doucouré. Delafeu goes for goal. It's only just over. Here, Alexander. Doucouré stole in and saw! Goal! And Dini's kept that one in, and he's away again here. It's Ismail Assar, and it's 2-0. And Liverpool really have been stung in the hornet's nest now. And Sarr's in here, looking for his hat-trick, looking instead to provide, and he has done! Troy Deeney has his first ever goal against Liverpool. Wilson play goes on. Here's Billing. And it's Lerma 1-0. Callum Wilson taps it into the net. Couldn't find Salah immediately, but he can still find the corner to get Liverpool back on level terms. He's clean through, never in doubt.
Well, they just gave the ball away clumsily, and look at Stacey, he just...
Here's Richarlison. First thrust for Everton. Calvert-Lewin's at the far post, and the ball towards Calvert-Lewin, who flicks, and Alisson's had nothing to do. Oh, and it's hit the post. Tom Davis.
Well. First got it from Richarlison. I was thinking he should go at Lovren, but doesn't. He plays it into Calvert-Lewin.
Certainly an option either side. Alexander-Arnold takes perfectly. Well, what a talent he is. He makes plenty of goals. Like here's Salah to get the second, and the 100 up. Van Aanholt couldn't defend that. Fabinho. Alexander-Arnold's on the move, but Fabinho! Goodness me! Well, Salah gets a terrific ball, and Mane's in here, and he keeps up his run of scoring against Crystal Palace. Liverpool.